How to remove Tumblr app from your phone. First of all, unlock your phone and go to the home screen where the Tumblr app icon is located. If you are using an Android phone, press and hold the Tumblr app icon until the options appear. Then tap on the uninstall or trash bin icon from the pop-up. Confirm the uninstall when prompted. If you are using an iPhone, press and hold the Tumblr app icon until it starts to wiggle. You will see a small X or a minus sign on the app icon. Tap on it and confirm that you want to delete the app. Once removed, the Tumblr app will no longer be on your phone, freeing up storage space and stopping any app notifications. Now you know how to remove the Tumblr app from your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.